The Negro as an industrial makeshift. The Negro's prosperity today, limited as it is based upon the foundation laid by an alien race that is not disposed to go out of its way to prepare for the economic existence of anyone else but itself. Therefore, our present prosperity as far as employment goes is purely accidental. It is as accidental today as it was during the War of 1914 to 1918, when colored men were employed in different occupations, not because they were wanted, but because they were filling the places of men of other races who were not available at the time. Negroes are still filling places, and as time goes on and the age grows older, our occupations will be gone from us, because those for whom we fill the places will soon appear. And as they do, we shall gradually find our places among the millions of permanent unemployed. The thing for the Negro to do, therefore, is to adjust his own economic present in readiness for the future. A race that is solely dependent upon another race for its economic existence sooner or later dies, as we have in the past been living upon the mercies shown by others, and by the changes obtainable, and have suffered therefrom. So we will in the future suffer if an effort is not made now to adjust our own affairs.